Okay, so to set a kit, let me take off my armor, but to set a kit, you're gonna wanna go to this little anvil thing, take out all your armor plus your weapons that you want, and just anything that you want. You're gonna wanna equip your armor, put on your shield, put your armor and weapons how you want them. And then go back in, take out all the pots, anything else that you want. Gaps, e-pearls. I like to have some fireworks in my kit. 3 totems, some XP, just the normal stuff. Then you add in all your potions. So you're basically just making your inventory how you want it. So this is pretty similar to how my inventory is. And then you'll back out, and you're not gonna left click on an empty kit. You're gonna right click on it. So you see how this one's empty? You're gonna right click it and then hit import. You left click import. It'll transfer your exact inventory into here. Then you click save and your kit is saved. So if I choose this one instead, this is the one that I main with. And then if I want a different one, I can choose this one or this one. Basically just like different loadouts, I guess. But yeah, that's basically all you gotta do to do it. It's pretty simple, so good luck if you haven't figured it out already.